Hi, my friends, Emily is here and you are listening to me through the ASFP channel. And as they say, learn from others' mistakes, not your own. Yours might be the last. Today, we're going to discuss a failed marketing story and learn the reasons behind its failure. Let's go. Just for Feet was a U.S. athletic shoe and sportswear retailer that aimed to compete with giants like Foot Locker. In 1999, they decided to make a splash with a commercial during the Super Bowl, a prime time for brands to showcase their most creative and impactful ads. The ad commercial depicted a group of white men in a Humvee hunting a barefoot Kenyan runner through the African savannah. They eventually capture the runner, force him to wear a pair of Nike shoes, and then celebrate their victory. The runner is shown looking bewildered and confused after being captured. What went wrong? Racist overtones. The ad was widely criticized for its offensive and racist portrayal of African people. The imagery of a white group hunting a black man and forcing him to wear shoes was seen as both culturally insensitive and deeply offensive. Lack of cultural sensitivity. The ad was tone-deaf to the broader cultural and historical context. It evoked memories of colonialism and racial oppression, which completely overshadowed the intended humor of the ad. Poor creative judgment. Concept was bizarre and disconnected from the brand's message or product. Instead of promoting the idea that Just for Feet could provide top-notch athletic footwear, it sent a confusing and offensive message. Backlash and legal trouble. The backlash was immediate and severe. Just for Feet not only faced public outrage, but also legal trouble. They ended up suing their ad agency, Saatchi & Saatchi, $10 million, claiming the agency had created and pushed through the ad without proper approval. The lawsuit only added to the negative publicity. Outcome. The fallout from the ad was disastrous. Not only did Just for Feet lose significant brand equity, the company also faced severe financial difficulties. Within a year of the ad airing, Just for Feet filed for bankruptcy. While the Super Bowl ad wasn't the sole cause of the company's downfall, it certainly accelerated its decline. Lessons learned. Cultural sensitivity is essential. Marketing must be culturally aware to avoid offensive imagery or narratives. Know your audience. Understand the audience's values to prevent public outrage. Align creatively with brand values. Ensure ads reflect the brand's values to avoid confusion or offense. The Just for Feet Super Bowl ad is a prime example of how poor cultural awareness and creative judgment can lead to a marketing disaster. We've reached the end of this video, my friends. This was Emily and you were listening to me on the ASFP channel. Do not forget to support us by subscribing and liking, and write what you want to discuss in the comments. Thank you all. See you later.